Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Disha Kakkar and today we are going to learn how to give a speech. I have already created a video about how to start a speech and link will be given in the description. Please go and watch that video because you're going to learn a lot from that video as well. Today we are going to learn what we should actually do when we are giving a speech. Well, when you are planning to give a speech, there are so many emotions we are going through, right? We are not able to recollect words, we are not able to speak, we fumble, we start shivering, people are looking at us and so many things are going on in our mind, and at the end we feel like giving up and we don't feel like giving the speech at all. If that happens, then please watch this video till the end because you're going to learn a lot today. So let's get started. Today we are going to learn do's and don'ts which you should follow when you are planning to give a speech. So first of all, we'll have a list of do's and then we are going to have a list of don'ts. So let's start. First of all, have an eye contact with your audience. Well, whenever you are planning to give a speech and you are already on the stage, I would insist you have an eye contact with your audience. Well, when you start doing that, audience will have one connection with you. You will start gaining confidence and at the end you will be able to give proper speech. When you are not able to see in front of the audience, whenever you are trying to escape, whenever you are not giving proper eye contact, it actually shows that you are afraid to speak something. All listeners are not bad, all audience are not bad. They will surely cheer you up. But to build confidence, I would say that have an eye contact. The moment you will do it, half of the battle is already won. Number 2. Use right words to give good impact of your speech. I would surely suggest that have a written proper script. Whenever you are planning to give a speech, I would suggest that have a written version of your speech. Always write your speech and then practice a lot. Because whenever you are writing, you may surely recollect good words and then practice that particular written speech. If you are trying to be spontaneous and if you are really having good vocabulary, you should go for it. Number 3. Maintain positive eye contact. I have already told in point number 1 that you should have positive eye contact or you should have eye contact with audience. But sometimes whenever you are not able to give proper speech or you're fumbling or you're stuck somewhere, then do not panic. Just give good eye contact. That's fine. If you forgot some words, it's fine. Do not panic. Instead of that, keep calm and start your speech again. This is what I would say. Do not panic and do not shiver. That will not help you at all. Number 4. Use props. Now, whenever you're planning to give speech, I would say that whenever you're giving a speech, have a proper presentation, have some props that creates interest of the audience. If you are just simply standing there and giving a speech, then probably people might not like it, and at the end they get bored seeing you again and again because only you are there on the speech and no one else. And so for that, I would say that use different props. Number 5, most important, practice. If you are not good at giving spontaneous speech, then I would say that give proper and practice speech. That will surely help you to gain confidence whenever you are speaking on stage. Now coming back to don'ts. Which are the points you should not do whenever you are giving a speech? Let's start. Don't be too fast or too slow whenever you are speaking. Have a normal pace of speed whenever you are speaking with someone or whenever you are giving a speech. If you are too fast, then probably people might not understand what you are saying, and if you are too slow, the people will get bored and they will not listen. So have a moderate pace in which people can surely connect with you. Number 2, reading slides. Whenever you are giving a speech or whenever you are at conference, generally what we do is we just simply read the slides, whatever slides are given. Don't do that. Just read the pointer and the rest you should take over. Do not simply read the slide, that surely gives really bad impact. So don't do that. Whenever you are speaking, usage of fillers, something like really looks bad whenever you are speaking continuously like twice in a speech. So I would suggest that do not use such words. Try to avoid those words. Instead of that, you can take a pause whenever you feel that I'm not able to recollect words. Just take a pause and then again continue with the speech. do not be too nervous, and don't move your hands, don't move your body, don't shake your legs continuously. That shows your nervousness. If you are nervous, try to keep calm. Don't show that side to the audience, because it really gives negative impact of yours whenever you are showing that you are nervous. So these are the body languages you need to take care of whenever you are giving a speech. These are the points you should surely take care. Only English is not important. At that point, we also need to take care about our body language. And so for that, I thought I should make this video. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and take care of yourself. Thank you.